Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Why KLM finally retired the iconic Boeing 747. KLM, the Dutch flag carrier, ended nearly 50 years of Boeing 747 operations with passenger services in 2020, briefly reactivated for cargo, and fully retired the type by 2021. The recent update centers on the cargo fleet. As of late 2024, 4 747 freighters remain active, but they are slated for replacement in 2027 with Airbus A350Fs to boost efficiency and sustainability. Below are 10 key reasons, blending historical context with the latest developments. COVID-19 passenger demand collapsed the pandemic/global travel, grounding KLM 747s for passenger flights in March 2020. With borders closed and demand plummeting 90%, operating fuel-thirsty jumbos became unsustainable. Cost-cutting imperative facing massive losses, KLM accelerated retirements to slash expenses. The 747's high maintenance and crew costs, up to 30% more than twins like the 787, prompted quick fleet streamlining amid €2.5 billion in 2020 bailouts. Fleet modernization push. KLM's strategy shifted to efficient twin-engine jets. By 2025, its long-haul fleet prioritizes Boeing 777s and 787s, replacing aging quad jets. The 747's exit aligned with a 2019 plan for 80% next-gen aircraft by 2030. Temporary cargo comeback. High freight demand for medical supplies led to reactivating 3 747,400 megaseconds in April 2020 for China routes, adding 250 tons weekly. This air bridge with Philips and the Dutch government extended life briefly but ended in October 2020. End of Combi Operations. KLM's unique 747,400 Combis, half passenger, half cargo, lost viability without passengers. The last, PHBFV, City of Vancouver, flew its final skip-all departure on March 15, 2021, to Spanish storage after 110,000+ hours. Rising fuel and environmental pressures. Quad-engine 747s guzzle 20–30% more fuel than modern twins, clashing with EU emissions rules and KLM's net zero goals. Retiring them cut CO2 by thousands of tons annually. Maintenance challenges. At 20–30 years old, 747s faced escalating part shortages and inspections. Post-COVID supply chains worsened this, making upkeep costlier than leasing newer alternatives. Market shift to point-to-point routes. Airlines favor mid-sized twins for direct flights over hub and spoke 747 models. KLM's network evolved to 787/777 efficiency on routes like Amsterdam-New York, reducing need for 400+ seat jumbos. Cargo fleet phase-out. Announced in its 2024 annual report, released April 2025, KLM confirmed replacing 4 747 freighters, 3 747,400 ERFs, 1 747,400 BCF, AVG. 24.7 years old, in 2027. This caps the type's tenure, with no extensions amid cargo recovery. Sustainability-driven replacement. The A350F switch promises 40% fuel savings, 50% noise reduction, and lower maintenance versus 747s, supporting KLM's back-on-track recovery. By 2030, this aids Paris Agreement compliance and profitability. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.